We're gonna tie this baby up. All of these juices and flavors are gonna just come together. That is the question. We're gonna go with both in this recipe, guys. We've got a bone marrow wrapped prime rib. Just gonna roll this prime rib straight into my seasoning mixture here. I've got all kinds of spices going on. You guys can use whatever you want. I'm gonna sear this prime rib on the grill along with these bone marrows, get a nice color. We want to see a really good sear on that one side. Give it a couple of minutes there and then a flip. Now I'm gonna go straight in with my carrots and bacon. We're gonna roll these guys up in this bacon and it's just gonna be a nice little blanket for our carrots. Gonna dip them straight into this delicious maple syrup. I mean, maple syrup and bacon go hand in hand. Now we're gonna intertwine each of these bone marrows with our bacon wrapped carrots. Make our little ladder fence here. And then our prime rib is gonna go right in the center of these guys. We're gonna tie this baby up. All of these juices and flavors are gonna just come together and make one delicious combination. Let's just stuff one more carrot in there so we've got our sides all equal. Onto the baking sheet she goes. I'm gonna just give these carrots a little haircut, but we're gonna save those because we're gonna make another tasty dish with those in just a second. I've got some baby potatoes here. I'm just gonna put those all around the outside of this and make for a delicious side dish. Got some fresh rosemary, a little butter, a little garlic, salt and pepper, all coming together. It's gonna be so delicious. This is the perfect meal for any of your parties this holiday season. You guys will be the star of the show with this, trust me. Into the oven we go for about an hour and a half. 350 degrees. Pull that foil back and look at that. That is love right there. Oh, now I'm just gonna give these a little snip here, untie those marrows and reveal that beautiful prime rib right there in the center, guys. We're gonna take a slice off the top. Let's see how well we cooked this. Perfection. Now straight across the top of this prime rib, we've got our marrow. We're gonna scrape that out and just give it a nice little smoothing on the top of that prime rib. Here we come with our carrots from earlier. If you guys remember, we sauteed those up in some garlic, olive oil, and butter. It tastes delicious, you guys. Now across the top, because what is a prime rib without a little jus? We've got our jus, sprinkle it up with some chives, and look at that. That is gorgeous.